I can't wait to share with you some of my new Amazon arrivals, including 2 items that have been highly recommended. One that's actually been a new viral hit, I would say. And that one in particular, I absolutely love it. And I hate to say it, but it's going to replace one of the other items that I have and I've used before. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm pretty excited to share these new Amazon travel essentials with you, and I do have a couple of fashion finds as well. Now I am going to be going on a cruise in a couple of weeks, so I bought a couple of kind of fun items. Now, by the way, just to mention, my eye is a little bit swollen, so just ignore that. I do have a little antibiotic for that and a little bit of a cream. Anyway, I'm hoping that is going to get better before the weekend. If you have any suggestions, do let me know down in the comments below. All right, let's get on to these Amazon travel essentials. But before I do, I did want to mention that if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. All right, now I wanted to start with the first item that is just, I think, absolutely genius. It is a little fan, and I want to show you this fan. It is so small. You're going to close it up just like that, so it could go right into your personal bag, right into your handbag, you know, when you're on an excursion or anything. And this fan opens up like this, and then look. That's one level. Really, really good. More and more. It is really good. And by the way, you can even balance it on a table like this. So if you want it just in front of you, even while you sleep, you could probably do that. It is rechargeable. Now to close it, you just do that. There we go. And again, that folds up so small. Now I do have another fan, and the other fan that I have is this one. It works really well, but look at the size difference. So I hate to say it because I really do like this fan, but if you're going in particular on a cruise this summer, this is absolutely genius. And by the way, I'm going to leave links to all of the different items that I mentioned in this video. I'm going to leave them linked down below in the description of this video, as well as a pinned comment. Now, speaking of fans, I did just want to make sure that I included this as a link down below in the description of this video. So if you're looking for a fan to keep in your cruise cabin, this is a flat foldable fan. Very easy to pack. It does not take a lot of room. And if you like the air circulating a little bit in the cabin, I always find, I'm not sure why, but it seems like the air conditioning, I can put the air to the coldest setting in a cabin, but it gets very warm and very stuffy in a cruise cabin. I'm not even sure if they do something to, you know, make the AC not work as strong at night. Let me know if you have any thoughts on this, if it's the same for you. But this is a great fan that you can keep on a desk, that you could hang on a magnetic hook, or of course put it on the night table. And just to show you, it does have this little stand, and that just goes back in, and it is also rechargeable. Okay, moving on to a fashion item, I did want to show you these belts. So I bought a package of 3 straw belts, and as you know, straw belts are kind of a popular little fashion item this year. I am going to also kind of model them for you. I'll put some B-roll. So that's one of them. The black one, I wasn't sure that I really wanted this one, but I bought a black dress that has a little bit of a neutral floral pattern. I really like the dress, but something the salesperson told me is you could wear it loose and flowy, or you could cinch it at the waist, which is popular these days. So it gives you 2 different looks in a dress. And even though the dress, by the way, is not from Amazon, it's from RW and Co. This is the belt that I wore with it, and I absolutely love the look. Now, by the way, the dress that I'm wearing right now, I also put a straw belt with it. And you could wear this dress either on its own, or you could add a straw belt if you like a little bit of color. I personally like it with the white. I am thinking about getting this same dress in butter yellow. I am loving yellow that I'm seeing this season. I normally wear a lot of blue, and I didn't love the look of this in blue, but I know I can always use a white dress, whether it's on a cruise or, traveling, or even just here at home if I have somewhere to go. I just find it pretty. But the yellow, I'm absolutely loving. Let me know your thoughts on if you've bought any yellow dresses or items down in the comments below. Okay, moving on to something much more practical, pill boxes. Now, my favorite pill box is still this one. I did try this one because it has, great reviews. And it's not that I don't like it, but the size of this one just really does appeal to me. So I'll just show it to you. This is perfect. I also have the large size like this, so it's great if you want. This I can keep in my handbag, and the other pill box I can, keep in my luggage or something like that. And by the way, a little cruise hack is you could use this for jewelry if you want rather than pills, or, even this one. But let me show you why I like this one so much. So this one, I actually think this would be good with jewelry. I'm gonna try that. Okay, but what I liked about this one is that it came with these labels, Advil, all different kinds of medications. There's just tons of them. So basically, if you don't want to have these without any labels, you could use these labels instead, or even on the big container like this, you could use these labels. Now, by the way, they do sell these labels separately, so I'm going to leave a link for that as well. Now, one of the very best things that I found actually came based on viewer suggestions, because there is a personal bag, carry-on bag, backpack style bag that people are absolutely loving. So I'm going to show you that in just a minute. It is awesome, especially if you don't want something on your shoulder, but you want it on your back, especially when you are heading onto the cruise ship. It's very roomy, great also, even to use as a personal bag when you're flying. But first, I do want to show you this. So this passport holder is great. One of the really cool things about it is the fact that you can take your air tag and you can slip your air tag in right here. And you know what? When you put this in your handbag, this way you don't need to put a separate air tag right in your handbag, or maybe you put this in your carry-on bag instead, but this way you do always know where your passport is, and even just in case you just never want to have an issue, it's great to have. A secure phone holder. Now, I'm all about all of the different products that make things safer as we travel, and I absolutely love this. Now, I have to say, it took me a few minutes to figure out how it worked, but it's not that complicated. I think it was me. So what you do is you take this and you put it sort of just under your phone case, and, well, you actually put it on first, and then you clip this right after, and that secures this in place. Now, after this, you've got this long adjustable cord. Some of them are not adjustable. I like this one, the fact that it's adjustable, because you could put it, just over your neck. But what I like better is to wear it crossbody. Now, while I wouldn't wear it everywhere, I think if you are going somewhere crowded, maybe you're going on a Mediterranean cruise, and honestly, you've got to watch out when you are in the city. Maybe you're going to a concert. Maybe, you just want to make sure that your phone doesn't fall off into the ocean. This is great because it does keep it nice and secure. Now, if you prefer something only on your wrist, this is a little bit more discreet. Of course, it is right on your hand, but this is going to do something very similar, and it really is quite smart, a great way to secure your phone. All right, I have two more items, but I just couldn't wait to show you this backpack. Now, this is the zip top backpack. Now, that's what I'm calling it. I don't think it's the official name. It's by Look, and you can look at this. The size is really good. By the way, this is the larger size, the 17-inch. There's one that's like 15.6 or something like that too. But I had heard that the 17 was great, so I decided to buy this. Now, the nice thing about it is you could see the bottom has a lot of room, but I put in a packing cube with a change of clothing. I put in a pair of shoes. I put in a makeup bag. I put in medication. I put in cruise essentials, and still the bag is only halfway full. Now, what's pretty cool is it does zip up on top, and you can open it like nice and wide to see in. But I do want to show you as well, what you have here is you have in the very front of it, you've got this nice zippered pouch. Now, let me show you when you open the pouch, you've got a lot of space here. You've got a lot of pouches So like right over here to put different items. And of course you can zip that up. As well, you have at the side, you can put your water bottle over there. And there's another little zipper. This is on the inside. So keep in mind, these are your backpack straps. And you do have a handle on top, by the way, if you want to hold it for a couple of minutes by the handle. But you do have this little pocket as well. So if you want to put anything, you know, handy, maybe you want to put some disinfectant wipes, and the straps are very comfortable. And you also have this little, you know, luggage sleeve so that you can put this right over your luggage handle. Now, speaking of luggage handles, if you have the level 8 wide trolley handle Voyager collection luggage, which is what I have. I also have another kind, but I have that kind, and truthfully, it is my favorite so far. But what you can do, if you do want to still strap your luggage on the handle, this is what I use, or other times I just place it right on top. But if I really want something to stay, I use this, and this is a really sturdy luggage strap, and you can use it for other items as well. Now, I just found something else that I thought was really cool, and this is either a hat holder or anything else as well that you want to hold and you want to place on, you know, maybe your carry-on bag or your personal bag. So you can see it works like this. You do have a little snap, so you would snap it right on here, okay? And what you'll do is you will put your hat right on it, and then it's going to hold your hat. So that's great. It's nice and functional. But the really cool thing about it is the fact that you can hold anything. So let me just show you. So for instance, if you have maybe headphones, or if you have even a hanging toiletry bag that you want to hook on to your items, you can. If you have, you know, this, I'm just showing you the idea, but like for instance, even that, it really does hold just about anything. So if you like the idea of a hat holder, but you also want the versatility of being able to hold any of the other items that you might be bringing with you, this is a really smart invention. Now, I am going to leave all of the Amazon travel essentials linked down in the description below this video, as well as linked in the comments. But I'd love to hear from you if you would like to see dresses and fashion next, in particular, some of the new items that I am going to be wearing on my next cruise. Please let me know down in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.